everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to shut down Windows using the keyboard only. So there are basically various ways to do so. The first method is to simply press and hold the Alt key. Now press the F4 key. Now you can see over here a dialog box will appear. You can see over here shutdown will be selected by default. If it is not selected by default, you can use the arrow keys in order to navigate to shutdown. Once the shutdown option is selected, what you have to do is press enter to confirm the shutdown. After that, the windows will be shut down. The next method is also very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Once you do that, a security dialog box will appear again. Use the arrow key to navigate to the power icon in the bottom right corner. After that, select the shutdown and press enter. There is also another way. For that, what you have to do is press the Windows key and X key together. Once you do that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply press U on your keyboard. Now you'll be able to find the options like sign out, sleep, hibernate, shutdown. In order to select the shutdown option, what you have to do is press the U key again in order to initiate the shutdown process. After that, your Windows will be shut down. So these are basically the ways to shut down your Windows by only using the keyboard. So that is how you shut down Windows using the keyboard only. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.